today I'm going to go over how to install TeamViewer on your computer. TeamViewer will enable us to remote in and assist whenever you need us. So this is just a simple way to get it installed without much involvement. So what you see on your screen is a tinyurl.com/Maven imaging link. This is the link that we go to download the installer. This installer will immediately download and install TeamViewer for us. So let's go ahead and do that. You want to open the browser of your choice. You'll most likely have Edge pinned down here in your taskbar on the bottom left. So go ahead and open that, and we'll go to that URL. So it's tinyurl.com/Maven imaging. Okay, you'll see the downloader was already downloaded here. What you want to do is open the file. You'll see it's downloading now. And installing. Okay, perfect. Go ahead and click close. And you'll see the TeamViewer icon on your desktop. So go ahead and double click that. And give it a few seconds to come up here. Close out of that. All right, so what we're going to need is the ID of your computer, and that is right here. So after you follow all these steps, we will need this ID and this password, and just leave this open. Once you send us this information, this is what we put on our end, and this will allow us to remote into your computer to troubleshoot and help you with whatever you needed to have help with. So, all right, hopefully that explained everything and was simple enough. And on to the next video.